Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shazia Khan here. Today I am showing a review of unpackaging and unboxing of Amazon products. I love to share this video to all you friends. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and be my friend. So let's start it. I got this Patanjali aloe vera gel. This is a very beauty product. I love this product. It's really a good product. Next, I got this Patanjali Saundarya face wash. If you have oily skin, use this face wash. It's really give a good tone to your skin. Now next, this Himalaya Herbal Nourishing Moisturizer in winter. This moisturizer gives your skin to smooth space. And next, this Livon hair serum. After washing your hairs, apply a few drops of this serum on your hairs. um, this serum gives your hairs good shine. I love this serum and ready to try this out. Now next, I got this Vaseline moisturizer body lotion. In winters, this moisturizer gives your skin and body good tone. And next, aloe vera gel. This is BioCare aloe vera gel, skin purifying gel. What we have to do, take a small amount of this gel and apply on your face, and in the night, and next morning wash your face. Next, I bought these two foundation, Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in the shade 330. It's a toffee shade, and Eva foundation Evoric Fair. I love these two foundation. Next, I got this musical flower gel eyeliner. There are two products in the shades are black gel eyeliner. I love this gel eyeliner. Ready to try this out. And this bronze gel eyeliner and two brushes. I will be doing this tutorial soon. And next, I got these 10 brushes. These brushes are so beautiful. I love these brushes. Sorry friends, I already used these brushes, and these 5 brushes are amazing. Foundation brush and powder brush, blush brush and concealer brush. These 5 brushes are eyeshadow base brush. I love all these brushes too much. If you want to buy these brushes, buy from Amazon.in. This is a very good product. I love. Next, I got this highlighter and bronzer. These bronzer are good and this highlighter are really good. I really love this highlighter and bronzer. I love. And next, I this two press powder, Maybelline New York Fit Super Fast press powder and L18 press powder. The shades are Maybelline New York, the dark shade I got. Here the L18 lighter shade. Really reasonable price I got. These are lip gloss which I bought lastly 2 months. It's really good. We can use at home for really reasonable rate. We can got this. Now next, coming on next, I hope you enjoy this video. Here I got this Nova straightener and curler. The price are $9.99, but I bought from here $540 or $500. Really good product. I really love this product. See here, there are two ways here. Here straightener and curler. The color are too good. I tried this out and really happy for this product. Here ADS Ultimate Concealer. The shades are good. I try this. It's good. I try this out. It's really good one. Now coming on next, the eyeshadow palette. Here 24 eyeshadow colors. The colors are too good. I didn't try this. I am trying to try this out. The 2 powder, press powder and 4 blush. And next I got this 3 empty spray bottle. I'm doing a tutorial of this setting spray and hairspray maybe soon. I love this hairspray empty bottle. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.